Hello and a very warm welcome to Fact vs. Fiction, the show where we dispel all the rumors, fake news and videos that are doing the rounds on the internet. I'm Nikhil Anamda and with me is Jency Jacob, the managing editor of Boom. And the focus on the show today, Jency, is going to be all about air crashes because in the aftermath of that Ethiopian Airlines plane going down outside Addis Ababa, there's been all sorts of videos floating around on the internet supposedly showing actual footage from the plane crash. So we'll play out one of them for you and then we'll ask Jency if there's actually any truth to what's floating around. Okay, Jency, so the investigation is still on and to my knowledge, there's no sort of official sort of video that has been actually put out by the investigators. So where's this one emerging from?
So this is actually a 6-year-old video at the Bagram Airfield military base when a Boeing 747, this is way back in May 1, 2013. It's a 6-year-old video. This is in Afghanistan. And what apparently happened is, and when we looked at news reports from then, it seems like that this plane was already overloaded and there was a military vehicle which was not secured properly and it cut loose and went and hit some key operating systems there, and the plane crashed. 7 crew members were killed, and that's how
it was a cargo plane.
It was a cargo plane. There was a military cargo plane, and some vehicle which was passing by, which was following on that road, the dashboard camera recorded this entire footage. Now this is going viral as the Ethiopian air crash that has happened, and the kind of panic it has created, because see, at the end of the day, people are already tense. Already there is so much of concern worldwide, and we are seeing that the particular model of the plane, it's being grounded everywhere. Along with that, with this kind of footage going, it really sends jitters down.
Of its crash is very, very
scary. Initially, Nikhil, when we saw this, and because we've had experiences like this in the past, we thought that this is some computer graphics, which has been simulated and put out. But when we looked at some of the surroundings there, we could find that this probably could be true. Unfortunately, we have never seen this video before. Otherwise, it could have been quite easy for us to debunk it as soon as possible. We had to really search for this video. But yes, this has really gone viral.
Okay, but it's not just this one. There's several others, in fact, not just videos but also images. There's one video in particular about passengers chanting Allahu Akbar, and images showing this sort of wreckage. No truth to those as well.
Yeah, so the one where there is this chanting of Allahu Akbar, that's that took place on May 4, 2016. Fortunately, no crash happened there. This was a Etihad Airlines flight from Abu Dhabi to Jakarta, and there was a turbulence there, and someone recorded that, and passengers were panicky, and at that time, passengers often chant out prayers as well. So that was one of the footages which has actually gone viral. Then there is another one where there's a burning plane wreckage. Now this has taken place just recently, March 9, 2019, just one day before the Ethiopian air crash
in Colombia.
In Colombia, right? And 14 people were killed, and the local mayor and her entire family perished in this crash. Then there is another wreckage which is also going around. Now that was also quite a horrific crash. This is an Indonesian military plane which crashed in 2015 in a residential area, and we do know that 142 military personnel and their families who were on board this flight, all of them perished in this flash.
But none of them are of the Ethiopian Airlines.
None of them are Ethiopian.
If you've been getting those videos, in fact, on your WhatsApp, make sure not to forward them on, because as you heard from Jency, there's no truth to these claims at all. But any aviation tragedy is a very, very high interest human interest story, and that's why perhaps the fake news brigade is going out there and putting out these videos. But thanks very much for watching. If you have any feedback, comments, if you want to send in some videos which you want to verify, please do call us on that helpline number there flashing right there below on your screens. Thanks for watching.